Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, then to the wallpaper. You can select one of the pre-installed on-device wallpapers, one of those, or you can just go to the My Photos and set any other image or file as a wallpaper. Select file, here you can adjust it, how it would look, and then just tap set wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.